Do I limbo underneath it or do I just go around? I think I'll go around. That's probably a lot easier for myself. Oh my god, I need 2 hands for this. There we go. I bet you Simon's just gonna go underneath it. I can see him on his way now. Look, let me zoom in. There he is. He looks like a little tiny pea or something. Well, if you guys haven't guessed, we're in a nature reserve for today's video. Oh, here he comes. Look, is he gonna limbo over or is he gonna... Oh, he's playing it safe as well, guys. Well, hello. Yeah, we've got a packet of crisps here. Prawn cocktail.
Sponsored by Alders. We're going on the main path, we'll go a different way.
Yeah, it's probably a bit muddy under there, isn't it? So, you say prawn cocktail crisps are the best flavour, am I right?
Yeah. Yeah, they are.
No, they're not.
They are good.
Cheese and onion is the best.
No, prawn cocktail. And now I think smoky bacon's close second, I reckon.
Oh, we've got a bit of stuff going on there. The trees are naked. Apart from that, that's got a little bit of something going on. But yeah. It's actually really pretty around here. And there's some ducks, and we've got some duck food, which we nearly forgot. And it's a pretty nice day today too. Yeah. It's a bit windy, but it's good.
So good.
Bit of a random wall there. And then there's this bit which I always thought was really cool here. So we're going to have a little mooch down and see if there's any ducks to feed. Oh, it's a bit muddy. I remember coming down here last year with Ellie, and she was literally like in the pram, and we were like trying to get the pram through here. Oh, the mud is squelching under my feet. Oh, there's some duckies. Some duckies. Oh, cool. What the hell? We tried feeding ducks somewhere else, like in a park close to where we live, and they were like not having it. They were just like, no. They just were not eating it. Yeah, we paid for this duck food. And they were like, nope. Got a little collection going on here now. Okay, so over there, that's where we were before. And now we're just at the other side of this little lake. We'll try... Oh my gosh, just dropped one on the floor. Talk about waste. Oh, here we go. Oh, oh.
There's some munchies.
Munchies. Oh, we got a little birdie behind us, chewing on some grass. Okay, so which way are we going? This way or that way?
Well, if we go that way, I'm sure there's another walkway bit into the, not into the lake, but you know, down by the side of the lake.
Yeah, we're not going into the lake, physically into the lake.
Might be another day.
No.
There was a bee there.
A bee?
Or a wasp.
Oh, yeah.
A bee thing, isn't it?
Oh, poor bee.
Yeah.
Don't want anyone to stand on the poor bee. Because we're
I
walking.
can see it.
Oh, okay.
The short goes round like to over the lake of that side or something.
Oh, all right then. I will trust you. I'll put my trust in you. Okay.
So we could camping there.
No. Over here?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Let's see where we end up, and if we end up where we intended to end up.
What, in the lake?
Right, okay. Right, you guys, we've just walked around the corner to where we were, where I was just filming, and yeah, this does not go to the lake. This is why this is why I shouldn't put my trust in Simon to tell us where we're going. Because even though he drives, I don't know if I can fit through here, you guys. I'm a pretty curvy woman. Even though he drives, sometimes his sense of direction still sucks. Oh, look at them big thorns, you guys. Ooh. That is feisty. Yeah, I think yeah, I think that just goes up to the houses.
Is it?
I think.
Yeah. Can I have a look?
And when we came here last, we didn't come this far. Going back, guys, going back. I was actually just saying off camera that when I used to do cross country in my secondary school, we actually used to partially like run through this nature reserve. And I remember every year, whenever a teacher wasn't around, because I used to hate running, I would just stop and I'd walk. And then like if any teacher saw you walking rather than running, they would like tell you off. But I've always been rubbish at running. Like, I'm not a runner. When it came to sports, especially running and like any kind of like athletics, which is what my school specialised in, funnily enough, I was just like, nope. Nope, nope, nope. And I used to hate with a passion. I used to detest cross country. I mean, at least we got to run through here a little bit though, which was really pretty, but yeah. I think that just leads to a gate outwards, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that goes to houses.
Oh, you can go that way. You go right there. I don't know what it's called.
Right.
Yeah, look.
There's a path.
Yeah.
The hell?
Doesn't look too bad here. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't even realise this was here. Just clean up after your dog and no fishing. Oh my god, you said it wasn't really muddy down here? We're going, doing a bit of off-roading now, folks. Oh god. Oh, doesn't it go to like this fence here? What?
What is it?
I don't know, actually, thinking about it. Because I know there's like the tip over the other side to the right of this. Well, from the position we're at now, it's to the right. But oh my gosh, you guys!
Is it a skull? Old skull?
That right there, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. Literally, that big tower building there, the black with the blue and white on it, not this big kind of white building here, but the one just behind it, that is part of my old secondary school. I was just talking about that. But I don't know where this goes, babe. You should have came in your old trainers. We have found an entrance back into where we're meant to be. There's a little gap in the fence. so don't trip over this. Right, okay. We're back into the nature reserve, people.
Oh yeah, it's a salt in there, yeah. Fine.
Ah, that's a good sign. Oh, we're back at the lake. Yeah, we've actually done a massive big circle and come out at the other side of... Yeah, that's the little pathway that we went down there.
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder if this bench just here is free and maybe we can... maybe some ducks will come up. Oh, duckies! I remember once when I was in like primary school, we had a day out trip here and there were swans and one of my teachers got attacked by the swan. He got bit and he was like really bleeding because they can't half bite. Yeah, they're more vicious than you think. Ah, this is nice and peaceful. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, there's... I mentioned the tip earlier.
Yeah.
That literally where those fences are, that's where the tip is. I've just seen cars going round. Okay, we're gonna try and feed some birds and try and get them to come up out of the
Do you want me to do it?
yeah, okay, you do it. Try and get them to come out onto the pathway a little bit. We're gonna have to get a bit closer to them, I think, aren't we? They're all like, God, run away! That one's flew off! We're on a quest. We're on a quest to feed the ducks. We need to use this bird feed that we paid for. We're gonna try to get our money's worth. Hey, little duckies. Look, we got some food for you. No, don't leave. We love you. We want to feed you. Okay. Go on in. Oh yeah, they love us now. We're curious as to what's up here. Oh, it's like a little kind of mini garden or something with like, oh yeah, some kind of flowers and stuff. But yeah, I think we're gonna, after we've checked this out, just head back to the car.
What about up there, gorilla?
Because it is really, really nice when the sun's out. But when the sun is in, it is hella chilly. So yeah, we'll check out up here and then we'll head back to the car. Ah, God. Nearly got knocked out by the branch. Oh, that's where we were before, because there's the fence.
Oh,
and
yeah.
There's like my school and that white building thing. Right, well, we will make our way back to the car. So I'm going to end this video here. If you liked it, leave it a thumbs up. If you're new here, click on that subscribe button. And I very much hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Oh. Bye.